Hi guys, welcome to Mick Mack Kitchen again with me, Christina Hann. Today we're going to make Valentine's dish. We're going to have turkey with hoisin sauce with vegetables and wrap it in this puff pastry dough. Okay, what we need is this puff pastry dough, hoisin sauce. We have turkey here, half of bell pepper, carrot, celery, peas, this is cream, onion, a little bit of ginger, garlic, salt and pepper, and olive oil, of course. Okay, let's get started. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to marinate the hoisin sauce. I have about 400 grams turkey meat here. I would say like 4 spoons. If you don't have hoisin sauce, you can marinate with soy sauce, a bit of honey, a little bit of chili, garlic. You can put a little bit of olive oil. Gonna put some ginger inside, okay? Some ginger inside. So mix also the ginger together with the hoisin sauce and turkey meat. So I'm gonna put it aside. It takes time to cook the carrots. So you put the carrot first. Saute a little bit. Celery stalks. 2 stalks of celery. 1 carrot diced. And then the bell pepper. Salt to taste. And pepper. Put a spoon of vegetable broth. Saute about 10 minutes. So put this aside. I'm going to use the same pan to fry the turkey meat. Well, it should look like this. It's okay, it's not really cooked because we're gonna put it in the oven later. So right now we're going to wrap it inside this puff pastry dough that I bought already. Well, I got 2. I preheated the oven for 332 degrees Fahrenheit or about 170 degrees Celsius. So we need a knife. So we're gonna make 6 pieces out of this one. 2. Yep. So question. Turkey meat inside here. Let's say 2, a bit more than 2 pieces. I have 2.5, 3. Oh, sorry. Some vegetables. Wrap it like this. The easiest way to wrap. Tray with parchment paper. Oh, it looks so yummy. So I wrap it like this. Look, there you go. I pinch every corner together. So I have 2 egg yolks for the egg wash. White sesame on top of it. Now while we're baking, we're going to make the sauce. Cut the onion into very small pieces, like that size. We just need half of that. I don't use garlic this time because there's a lot of garlic in the hoisin sauce and also in the vegetables, so I don't want to have too much garlic in it. But if you're a garlic lover, you can put more, of course. Well, cook until the onions is really soft, and then you put the cream inside. It's like heavy cream. Reduce the temperature. So the sauce is done. Turn off the heat. And put in a container that is a bit higher. burn myself. So yummy. So it's done. It's very hot here. So my turkey is done. You see that? The sauce also done. You see that? So this is how it looks like. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next episode. Bye!